Friends, in today's scenario, when we have so much of overweight problem prevalent in the society, weight management becomes imperative and essential for keeping optimal health. Now, in order to lose weight, we need to focus upon our nutrition because the nutrition has got 80% role in our weight. So, for all those people who are focusing upon nutrition, who are focusing upon that 80% role, this is one video which can help you decide and choose carefully what kind of four healthy seeds are available for them to opt from when it comes to weight loss. First of all, flax seeds, my favorite because the flax seeds have high fiber content as well as healthy omega 3 fatty acid content. And they are considered to be powerhouse because the nutrition they have is just awesome. And moreover, flax seeds are good for preventing diabetes as well as indigestion because of the high fiber, high satiety value. Pumpkin seeds because of their high fiber, omega fatty acid, and protein content. Pumpkin seeds help accelerate weight loss. Eat them raw or avoid eating salted seeds because that will promote water retention. Chia seeds, they contain plethora of vitamins and minerals that can help lose weight. Chia seeds can be added to water, salad, pudding, and beverages, and the ways, the methods you can add them to your diet are numerous. It is just that you need to figure out what is best suited for you. Last but not the least, fenugreek seeds. And fenugreek seeds, they are the superfoods that can help you reduce your hunger, increase the feeling of fullness, and aid in calorie burning. Therefore, they can aid in reduction of belly fat, especially the belly fat which is triggered by insulin resistance because the fenugreek seeds improve your own insulin's efficacy so that your body, when the blood sugar level goes up after you eat, then your own insulin becomes more effective in reducing your elevated blood sugar levels faster, more efficiently. So, opt for these four types of healthy seeds if you want to lose weight. That's all in today's video, and I request you to share this content with somebody who can benefit from it because at Live Life More, our motive, our mission is to add years to your life and add life to your years. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay well informed, and live life more. Bye bye.